Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gordon Ramsay's spaghetti sauce. To start, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need two 28-ounce cans of high-quality peeled San Marzano tomatoes, which are crucial for a vibrant sauce. Also, prepare 1 large yellow onion, 6 cloves of garlic, and 6 fresh basil leaves. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of concentrated tomato paste, 1 cup of red wine for depth, and 1/8 cup of good olive oil. Finally, have salt and pepper on hand for perfect seasoning. Now, let's build that incredible flavor foundation. Begin by warming 1/8 cup of olive oil in a sturdy stock pot over medium-low heat. Add your julienned onions, season them with a pinch of salt and pepper, and gently sweat them until soft and translucent, which takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Next, introduce the thinly sliced garlic, cooking it for 3 more minutes, being careful not to burn it. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, cooking it off for 3 to 5 minutes to deepen its flavor. With our flavor base established, it's time for the perfect simmer. Turn the heat to medium-high and deglaze the pot with 1 cup of red wine, allowing it to reduce by half, which takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add the 2 28-ounce cans of San Marzano tomatoes. Stir in 6 torn basil leaves and any optional spices, like a pinch of red chili flakes for a subtle kick. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let the sauce gently simmer for 90 minutes, allowing all the flavors to truly develop. For the grand finale, let's perfect your sauce. Once it has simmered beautifully, remove it from the heat. Use an immersion blender or a stand-up blender to achieve your desired consistency, from rustic to smooth. Now, taste and adjust the seasoning with additional salt and pepper as needed. Finally, toss your perfectly cooked pasta, such as spaghetti, with the warm, rich sauce. Garnish generously with fresh basil leaves and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for a truly restaurant-worthy meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.